Let's do everything we can. So this was what we thought was the way to go. Weekend one, where we got introduced to the craziness of e-commerce, halal product sourcing, market validation, whatever there. We built our websites, we launched our online marketing campaigns, then we helped a little bit with the business development again, and then we did some marketing and branding. Then Tantric came for Tetarik, where we're supposed to do operations, but yet here we are now. Weekend 4, the award ceremony. We've heard the pitching, and now we are selecting Malaysia's rising star of Halal Tech. Oops. I don't know if you remember this slide, but I think this slide is the one that I've been thinking most about throughout these 4 weeks. Those were our expectations to the challenge. That was where I shared my belief in entrepreneurship, how I see it as you are out there, you're a commando soldier with your team, with your squadron, and you are just shooting your way out. Sometimes it feels like you're shooting your way out of a building that's on fire. But we said, this is gonna be tough. If we are to do this in 4 weeks, it's gonna be like a real boot camp. We reminded each other that we had to be ourselves with fearlessness. We needed to have drive, and we needed to have constant problem solving, because everything happened so fast, and there would be some issues throughout this program. There would be a lot of things that were not perfect, and we encouraged everyone to solve it, and so you did, and thank you for that. We have expected nothing but the best from you, and we could feel it as well. You were not expecting nothing but the best from us. It was very encouraging. But what was the amazing part of it is the way that we came together as a family, where we expected nothing but the best from each other, and we kept pushing each other. On our Facebook community, we encouraged each other to do all these things. And one of the days where there was the Mihas convention, and I saw one of the team members from one team were not able to go there. So one of the other team leaders, I think it was you, Ken, you just grabbed him, and then you went anyways. That is something that we need to embrace. We are competing, but we're doing it as a family, and we've done it as a family. So these are the results of our work, of your work. Before we launched this, and even throughout the program, we kept receiving it. More than 300 requests and applications from entrepreneurs who were hungry to win and wanted to build a halal e-commerce business. We narrowed it down to 106 confirmed participants who were all there at the kickoff. Not everyone is here now, not everyone is still in the challenge, but more than 80 great entrepreneurs are still in Halal Tech Challenge. 84 entrepreneurs are in 18 companies that are getting built right now. And I think that's amazing, the dropout here. When you look at the intensity and the workload and the amount of stuff that we had to go through throughout these 4 weeks, I think it's very amazing. But what I'm most proud of is the impact here. The fact that all our e-commerce companies are operating, and that we've had more than 500 orders combined in what, did we launch the websites 2 weeks ago? Not even maybe. So that's amazing. Most companies out there, most startups, they have to wait for months and months and months to even get their first revenue. And we've impacted more than 500,000 consumers through our online marketing campaigns. Some got the newspaper features already. Some blasted through organizations' email databases. But more than 500,000 people have been impacted by this in less than 4 weeks. Let's just have fun and sit back and relax now and go through some of our photos from these 4 weeks here. Can you, how's the, is it pixel? Is it alright? Keep going. Shukran, told you. I hope he inspired you with his success stories. He's a very cool dude. We had Nicholas, who told you about halal marketing. We worked a little bit with our business model Canvas. We went down to the next weekend. Now we were sure about the businesses that we wanted to launch. Now we needed to know about how to actually market them. We got Anna, sitting right there. And we got a guy from Google who helped us. We built the websites. We got some good friends from Red Bull and from Big Onion Catering. Are they here today? Big Onion, are you guys here? No? Okay. I thought I was supposed to shout out to them right now. Weekend 3, we went over marketing and branding with Shukran. I think that was amazing. And moved on to a Tali session with Tan Sri, where some of you guys already pitched there. You got Ken right next to Vision, where he belongs. Vision inspired all of us to go out and just build something that can take us to the moon. And now we're here. Emil photobomb the Prime Minister with selfie, whatever. We got the official some MOU signed. Grab Kylie, guys in front of Magic Building. And then we got the pitching session. And now we're here. Nope. I hope 5 from Halal Tech Challenge, those we will announce today, will be invited to join a Halal Venture Builder. You're all thinking, what is a Halal Venture Builder? I'm going to tell you that in a second. But we're going to keep working together on these companies until we're ready for Halal Tech Challenge 2.0. If Tan Sri had been here, I would have winked to him and I would have said, we need to talk soon. But I've already said that. And he already said, okay, let's talk. So we will figure something out, I'm sure. So right now, what's a Halal Venture Builder? And I can say something very fancy. In a Halal Venture Builder, we use shared resources to accelerate halal ventures and build bridges in the ecosystem. Sounds very fancy, but what does it mean? Well, for now, all I want you to think about this being is a group of crazy, great entrepreneurs, side by side, supporting each other's amazing ventures. Interrupt me if you have any questions. Q&A after. But I don't want to overcomplicate this. And I can go on and on and on about what is halal venture. So let's get to it, guys. Yeah, I asked for this song. Okay, before we announce anything here, let's just all say thank you to Magic for the amazing job that they've done, the Magic team, and for Minister of Finance for funding us and allowing us to do all these things that we've been doing. Looking here, these are not all our partners, these are selected partners. But it's amazing to see that within 4 weeks we've managed, and maybe that's what the ecosystem is all about, we've managed to pull everyone together. Everyone has liked the story we were telling. Everybody believed in our vision. So we've managed to go from, we were a startup ourselves, Halal Tech Challenge is a startup, but we got 500 startups on board. We've been collaborating with Google, with MGVD, Mr. Tropicana, Shopify, Math, Capturaju, what are they called? Wiener, I think, HTC, GMMF, Big Onion, and Cradle. So thank you so much to them as well. If anyone is recording this, putting it on YouTube, thank you so much for your support. That's basically one allowed. Alright, so I need to ask now, do we have the certificates? Can we, because I'm going to be announcing from top 5 all the way up to Malaysia's rising star for Halal Tech now. So number 5, the first to get an invitation to the Halal Venture Builder. I hope you will accept it. It's going to be an amazing journey. And I really like having friends who can protect me I like big guys. Ahmad, please come up here. Wave your chain. Good job. Good job.